Isabel. How are you? Some more people starting to come in. Hey guys. I've been excited for this all day. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. And this session is being recorded too, so it'll be uploaded to YouTube tomorrow. I know it's weird doing things on a Thursday. Yeah, I should have brought popcorn. I tried to make my setup cute over here. I tried. Give everyone a few minutes to join in. Yeah, it is rainy here, but in Scotland it always is. I think I muted myself. Yeah, it's always rainy here in Scotland, so that's fun. I haven't been outside today though. I've been learning R recently. At first I was very confused, but now I actually kind of like it. I don't like that people compare it to Python though. Yeah, I'm half on campus and half at home. But to be honest, I'm not finding going on campus, it's not the same. Because we still have to be distanced. It's just not the same anymore. How's learning JavaScript going? I love seeing all your updates. Hey Harsh, how you doing? Yeah, I've never really looked at React actually. Hey Harsh. Oh, a chat app, that's fun. What have you been using to make that? You guys create such exciting stuff, like for your resume. Fair enough. No, I was just saying to Isabel I've been learning R recently. And it was confusing at first, but now I actually really like it. Making a lot of cool graphs. Yeah, see, this is what I wanted. I wanted you guys to like all get to know each other. Because I know all you guys and you know all me. So, like, meet your fellow techies, you know? I think the most interesting thing about R is all that like you can make really complex graphs and charts with it for data analysis. Because you can do some of that in Python, which I see why people compare it, but like R is specifically like made for that. So that's really cool. Hey Harsh. Nothing much is up with me. I've just been excited for this all day. I tried to do some work this morning, but I couldn't concentrate. I wanted to try out a live stream, and Mahasan and Danish and I were thinking of all doing one together, all three of us, on Instagram in the future. So I'm very excited for that. Yeah, my internship was great, and I might be going back next year, but we'll see. It was really fun. Like, it's just really good to experience, what you do in the real world, if that makes sense. Because, you can do all the leak code questions you want, but you never really know what it's like until you're actually there. And I met a lot of great people. What about you? Are you planning to do any internships or anything? Awesome. Yeah, it was really good experience. And it was just over the summer, so you're just focusing on school harsh. I should do the same, to be honest. Are you doing a full placement? Nice. One of my friends is doing a full placement. I don't think I ever could. Yeah, that is true. Focus on your skills. You have plenty of time to go into work. Yeah, I think tech placements can just be really competitive and stuff. But it is important to just take your time and develop your skills. You know, I like to always talk about mastering the basics. Yeah, open source is a great thing to do. How's the bootcamp going? I've never done a bootcamp before. There's so many different avenues to go down to learn programming that's really like interesting to me to see. A roller coaster. I think that's like all of programming in a nutshell. I'm glad it's fun though. Is it through like tutorials and stuff? I'm glad it's fun though, because some of my lectures are really not fun. Project based, that's really good. Yeah, people keep saying I should do competitive programming. Ugh. I tried for a little while when I was preparing for internships. I did like Leak Code and HackerRank and stuff, but I just couldn't get into it. What's mob programming? I've heard of pair programming. What's mob programming? That sounds intense. I'm guessing it's like a group, but like a mob. That's really fun. Yeah, I want to know. Okay, that's interesting. I've never heard that term before. I'll need to bring that up. But no, pair programming's good. You do a lot of that, or at least I did on my internship. Because we were in a little like project group, and it was me and another intern on my group, and so we'd help each other a lot through pair programming. Hey Benjamin! Glad to see you in the comments. How are you doing? Yeah, I've seen pictures on LinkedIn of people coding on their phone. I'm like, that is so cool. Like, to have that much motivation is insane. Yeah, everyone say hi to each other, get to know each other. Because all three of you actually have been supporting me for a long time, so this is so cool. Oh, nice. What was your lecture about? I've been saying that my lectures haven't been very interesting so far. I prefer practical work to lectures. I'm blocking my setup, you guys. Can you guys believe that the Techie Tessie company has been running for almost a year? System analysis and design, that sounds cool. I like design stuff. Yeah. I like to think I'm getting better at design. Thanks. No, it's all down to you guys. Like, this is insane. I never thought I'd be doing this. It's so cool. It'll be a year in December. We should do something really big. And I was saying earlier that my team and I, Mahassan and Danish, we're all thinking of all three of us going live at some point on Instagram. Because I didn't realize that YouTube only allows one person to go live at a time, which sucks. So I think for our next one, we'll move to Instagram, but we'll see. But yeah, we'd really need to do a big thing for the 1 year anniversary. Thanks. Well, you guys all made it possible by supporting me every week. It's fun to look back on my old videos because, like, my confidence has grown a lot. And it's all thanks to yous. And I love seeing you guys as well. You guys have developed so much in the last year. It's so cool to see. Yeah, I think it would be fun for, like, because even then, we can invite you guys to come on live with us if we go to Instagram. Aww. Thank you so much, Harsh. I'll keep supporting you guys too. You guys are doing so well. Yeah, I know this was a bit of like a spontaneous sort of thing, and it being on a Thursday. But I just thought, I wanted to record it and then make sure it was up on the Friday. But I'm just waiting for, like, restrictions to be entirely gone as well. So, you are doing well. What are you talking about? You're doing great. But no, when things become properly back in person, like, it's gonna be insane. Because I want to bring Techie Tessie out to you guys, Just waiting for the moment. No, see, that's the thing as well, though. I used to be so awkward in front of a camera as well, and I still kind of am. Like, I feel like I'm blushing right now, but... No, honestly, data structures and algorithms is difficult, but, I feel like a lot of people get really worried about it, but when you're actually working on a project and you're thinking about, I have to make it do XYZ instead of, I have to use a stack, I have to use a queue, when it's in context and you're actually working on the project, it becomes a lot easier. It can be hard when it's just like theoretically thrown at you with not much background context. But yeah, as soon as coronavirus is all safe and stuff, or as much as it can be, expect Techie Tessie to be going about in person. Yes. See, that's the thing as well. I'm going to be looking for more team members soon, so stay tuned for that. No. One day we'll just all be one huge team. It'll be so cool. I mean, we already are, but you know what I mean. I finished my tea, as always. How are you guys liking the website, by the way? I know you guys have been asking for like a website since day one. I kept putting it off, but then I caved. I just gave in finally. I really like it though. Oh, I'll definitely look into that. I honestly don't have as many programming books as I maybe should. I've been kind of reluctant for some reason, but I'll definitely look into that. Techie Tour, I love that. Thanks, Harsh. I'm glad you like it. Techie Tour. I'm going to use that. I love that. Yeah, because I really do want to travel. Just waiting for it to be safe, you know? I'm desperate to meet you guys. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm glad to hear my design skills actually are good then. Yes. No, but Harsh, I definitely really do want to come to India because so many of you guys support me from India. So as soon as Techie Tour happens, that'll be like my first stop. But I mean, if you guys are ever in Scotland. Yes. We'll have a tour bus. A techie tour bus. Can you imagine a big purple techie tour bus? This has to be a thing. We're gonna make it a thing, you guys. Like, this company's less than a year old, and you've been supporting since pretty much the get-go. So this is gonna be so cool. Yeah, I know. It's so great to see so many people from India supporting. Like, a whole new community of friends has just opened up, and it's so amazing. I'm glad you like the purple. I know. There was honestly not much meaning behind the company design because I came up with the logo before I even started the YouTube channel. We started out as just a LinkedIn page. And my favorite color is purple, so I just went with the purple. And people like it, so it stuck. But yeah, even to think we're almost up to 300 LinkedIn followers now, and considering LinkedIn is where we started, I'm just mind blown. And now, like, we're all talking here and planning these big things. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I've had so much fun talking to you guys. I'm gonna wrap up in a few minutes. And this recording will be uploaded to YouTube tomorrow, you guys. Yeah, I'm glad it's, you know, a signature color. Anytime you see purple, just think Techie Tessie. Thank you so much for joining in the stream, you guys. And we're definitely going to do more in the future with the rest of the team as well. So I'm going to wrap this up now. But thank you guys so much for joining in, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!